Hello everyone, welcome back to Caromg. So we have this Porsche Cayenne, completely off-road spec, custom built, and the car is here for Android screen and teens for the windows. So we are installing 30% nano ceramic on this car. I'll show you the screen.
This is a screen we installed. In this screen you will get Android Auto, wireless CarPlay, YouTube, Netflix and many more options, and you will get the Play Store also. See, if you need any application you can directly download with this application and you will get the proper sound system equalizer. In this you will get different sound modes also. You can choose the sound modes also. Many options available here. Here you have the two USB ports, so you can use one for charging and one for playing video. So if you want to upgrade your car, visit Caromg Dubai.